Hi, gang. I'm back here, but this is the link that I want everybody to put in there. It's YAUS8XL2. That link right there. I'm going to leave it up for a second while I talk to you. But if you were to set this up and hit in traffic ad bar, you would put this link in traffic ad bar, and they will be sending everybody over here with this here. But that link right there is in a redirect link right here. This link here is what I want in HitLeap. It's incomeoutbreak.com/do.htm. And look at how many hits that I've gotten, 33,437. And I only ran the traffic ad bar a couple days and HitLeap a couple days in here. But the key to this whole thing is you put the traffic ad bar. You run about 25 surfs per day, sites per day, and then you run HitLeap in the background. And I'll show you what HitLeap looks like in the background here. There we go. And as soon as I bring it up on my computer, you'll see that it logs me in. Maybe not. Now, what I can do is I can put the HitLeap viewer, minimize it, and I can do other work while I'm viewing those sites and everything. So, you can run it in the background. You can run it at night. You can run it anytime that you're not using the computer. Just keep the computer on, and if you keep the computer on, it's going to keep on sending people to that site that you've got in there. So that's basically what I wanted everybody to see in the first place. I wanted them to know that what you need to do is, and this will save a little bit of time for everybody, because if you do this and copy and paste those links into traffic ad bar and into the HitLeap, well, then everybody's going to be able to be working the program and getting further ahead without me actually logging into your accounts. Okay, so that's really what I wanted everybody to know about. Thank you.